Hello everyone, welcome to the final project demo for DSCA 560. We are Team City Watch and we are really excited to show our project demo. So this is a landing page of our product. We have deployed our application on AWS EC2. So it's a cloud-based link. So anyone who has access to the link can just get started. So let's get started with this. So this is a landing page and this is the value proposition we have, and let's do it. So we have already signed up for this demo. So we'll just log in. So the login takes us to the dashboard. On the dashboard, we have on the top three filters. First filter is for the city, second filter is for the year, and third filter is for the zip code. And then on the top, we have some high level statistics around crime, like total number of crimes, ethnicity based bias, age distribution, and gender. And then we have this nice clustering of the geography of LA County. So this we have achieved using kernel density and get your statistics, which are pretty complex algorithms for clustering. So the color red indicates high risk zone, green indicates low risk zone, and orange indicates like moderate risk zone. And here we have crime statistics like top 5 crimes and their frequency distribution. And for these crimes, their distribution over the years, so you can analyze the changing trends over time. And then we have like crime count over the months and also forecasted crime count, which we have predicted using a LSTM neural network. You can see this at a weekly level as well, because sometimes you want to see insights at a weekly level. So we have that capability. At the bottom of this page, we have demographic related insights like ethnicity based distribution, age wise distribution, and gender based distribution. And this everything is frequency. So you can see like which ethnicities or age and gender group are like highly vulnerable to crimes. And the moment you change it to a certain zip code or a certain city, whatever, then everything gets filtered for that particular zip code. So like everything now is filtered for 90007, which is USC. So it's a high risk zone. And let's see what has changed. So the type of crimes, the age range has changed a lot now. As you can see, the most vulnerable age group is like 20 to 30, which typically indicates a college age group. And this is the first view, and then we have two more views to go. Let's go. So we have a house identification platform. So let's say you want to settle down in this area and then your budget is 500K and you want to go ahead like at least a 2000 square feet house. So let's see. So our algorithm is suggesting that you should buy a house in like 90047 area, which falls in Los Angeles. And this is the expected price of this 2000 square feet house. It falls under a low risk zone from our algorithm. And the crime correlation between house pricing in this area and the crime is highly negative. So let's see. So as you can see that when the crime increases, the housing prices go down in this area. So it's a nice way. You can just see what is going to be the trend next year, and you can just buy, and you can just see for the other areas as well. So it's kind of helpful if you want to buy a house. And then we have a compare section. This is really interesting. So let's say you want to compare insights between two different zip codes or cities. So that's what we are offering. So let's say I want to compare like Los Angeles with Beverly Hills area. So let's see, let's compare ethnicities. Okay, so as you can see that you can compare two pie charts side by side coming from two different cities or zip codes. I could filter this for, let's say, this zip code, then things change. I could also change the top visualization. Let's say I want to see age wise, so everything gets changed, and gender wise. So as you can see, everything is super fast because it is on cloud. It is using NoSQL DynamoDB database, so it is really fast. And also, just in case I want to change my profile, I can just come to this page and update my profile. I could just edit my like the city I live in, because the city you mentioned here becomes your default city in the dashboard. And then you can change the credentials and everything. And that's